Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. We're super excited today. We are headed to Laughlin. We haven't been there in about 6 months, so we're looking forward to having some good meals and some fun gambling.
And one of the great things about this route from Arizona is we're going to go real close to Route 66. There's some great sights along the way. We'll try and capture some video and share it with you, and really look forward to sharing our trip with you. So we'll touch base later, and for now, goodbye, guys.
Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, this drive is so pretty heading to Laughlin. We're really lucky to go by all this beautiful countryside, heading towards some fun gambling.
As we make our way along Highway 40 from Arizona to Laughlin, we come across one of our favorite towns along the way, Seligman, Arizona. Seligman was a popular railroad destination founded in 1886 and then later became popular among weary Route 66 travelers who found it to be a convenient stop along the way. The town was largely bypassed, however, with the construction of Interstate 40, and the town slowly started to lose many of its inhabitants. But with the help of one of the original residents, Angel Delgadillo, who helped found the historic Route 66 Association of Arizona, it brought much needed attention to the towns along Route 66 and helped revive Seligman, Arizona into what it is today, which is a really popular stop for tourists from around the world. Stop in and look for destinations like the Roadkill Cafe and the Snowcap Drive-In. They're really iconic places along this route, and you can see a town that's still thriving in days gone past. I encourage you to stop on your travel and check out Seligman, Arizona. What a great town, and what a great destination for people traveling to Laughlin. We're coming into Kingman, Arizona, and look at this great hotel by Ramada, completely redone in a total Route 66 theme. You can see all across here that it's got all the great iconic features of a Route 66 hotel. What a great spot.
It's always so cool when we start entering into Laughlin and we know we finally made it. So we're just now on the Strip, as we call it in Laughlin, and on the left is the Riverside Hotel and Casino. That place is always packed. We do play video poker and some slots there, and there's a great restaurant called the Gourmet Room, heading under the Laughlin sign as we officially enter town. And on the left is coming up right after the Riverside is the Aquarius Hotel, which we've stayed there a couple times. It's really upbeat, good crowd, good music playing in the casino, lots of video poker, lots of slots, some good restaurants there as well. And we're still heading into town towards the Golden Nugget, where we're staying this time. On the left, we've got the Edgewater coming up, and they have a good selection of machines there as well. So we definitely spend some time there. On the right, you can see the Tropicana, which is owned by Caesars, same company as Harrah's up the road a bit. There's the sad-looking Colorado Bell. We used to love playing there. They had great music, a ton of restaurants and stuff. It's been closed since the pandemic, which is really sad to see. We're hoping sometime they redo it and get it back up and running. The Pioneer on the left is fun. And then I see the Golden Nugget, so we're really getting close. We stay at the Golden Nugget quite a bit, primarily because they send us great room offers, as in free rooms. We still have to pay the resort fee, and we always upgrade to a Riverview room. We kind of learned the hard way that taking one of the regular rooms will have you either staring at another building or even the parking structure. So here's the beautiful entrance to the Golden Nugget. It's really cool coming in from the hot desert. Here's our room. We're just getting in. Very standard room, nothing fancy about it, no frills, but it's definitely functional. The bathroom, I would say, is the part of the room that really needs an upgrade. They could really stand to redo the bathrooms. And coming in, just your basic closet. They do have a Keurig in the room, so always make sure to bring a bunch of coffee pods with us. And, what's really great about staying here at the Nugget is the location. It's really centrally located. You can head up the hill towards the River Lodge or Harrah's, or, down the way towards the riverside. So we really appreciate that because we do a lot of walking when we're here. And look at that great view. You can't beat the river view, just gorgeous. We've arrived on a really pretty day, so we're excited to get our bags in here and check out some of the casinos and hit to gambling.